The Desert Botanical Garden here in Phoenix offers a compelling story of environmentalism, conservation, and cultural identity here in the Sonoran Desert. Situated on over 140 acres and featuring 50,000 plants, the Desert Botanical Garden's design places an emphasis on the natural landscape and the diverse flora of our area. Originating in the 1930s, the garden's primary mission is to preserve the fragile desert ecosystem. Displays focus on patterns of plant groupings or the striking forms of cacti. At just over a third of a mile, the Desert Discovery Loop Trail is the main path connecting all the other trails of the garden. It features desert plants and cacti from all over the world. The gardens are great because not only do they celebrate our local flora, but they also allow locals to experience flora from around the world, such as the bunjum tree. Here we are at the Desert Wildflower Trail. This trail is dedicated to Harriet K. Maxwell and really focuses on the importance of pollinators in our environment. These flowers help to attract a variety of species, including hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees, all which help promote a balanced ecosystem. With a focus on conservation, the Desert Botanical Gardens offers not only a fun activity, but also an educational experience. The Center for Desert Living Trail is the shortest of the trails and takes a quick tour around the herb and edible gardens here. It focuses on how we can maintain healthy and beautiful gardens even here in the desert. From families on leisurely walks to scientists studying the native plants, artists sketching, or couples enjoying the nighttime light installations, the Botanical Gardens is a diverse place that offers many activities. The giant Mexican cardone cactus is one of the largest in the garden and is over 75 years old. Take a walk through a forest of organ pipe cacti as you head up to take in the stunning views on the Sonoran Desert Trail. This trail highlights some of the local landmarks and features plaques that educate visitors about the local birds, animals, and plant life. Located just north of Tempe Town Lake, the garden offers a place of reprieve for people to come and enjoy nature outside of the urban context. Plants and People of the Sonoran Desert Trail tells the history of the native people who have called the Sonoran Desert home for centuries. From food to medicine to construction, the indigenous people of the Sonoran Desert have used these plants to survive for over 12,000 years. The hardscape of botanical gardens helps to improve accessibility while still not hindering the natural environment. Gardeners and horticulturalists work year-round to keep this place looking healthy and beautiful, battling heat, drought, and invasive species. The garden offers plenty of areas to host art exhibitions, concerts, and even Dios de los Muertos celebrations, blending education with cultural experiences.
Overall, this place is more than just a garden. It's a living archive of the Sonoran Desert's biodiversity and cultural history, a community touchstone bringing people closer to the desert ecosystem, and a teaching tool advocating for conservation of our local environments.